there, Murdoch here, and welcome back to Sledgehammer This, the show in which we test the integrity of certain household objects through the application of a sledgehammer. And this week I'm coming at you guys with a question. Are you tired of technology ruling or ruining your life? No. No, 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 no! No! No, no, no. Your laptop, which is always causing problems. Never again! As always, we're going to start off with a little bit of a warm-up. And last time around we had some requests, the first of which was a can of beans. And how about a bowl of beans instead? It just seems to me that we've allowed technology to just take over our lives a little bit too much. And don't get me wrong, I understand the irony. I'm recording on my cell phone. I have multiple cameras. I'm always doing stuff that involves technology. But I do think at the end of the day, we just spend too much time with our phone, our computer, our gaming console, whatever the case may be. And perhaps here on Sledgehammer This, we could do our little part to break away from some of the control that technology has over our lives. Cell phone? What happens when we get away from our gaming console? Whoa. What do we have here? Turn the 360 controller into an N64 controller. Weird. Science, fellas. And how about some Legos? In the form of living technology. Well, that's pretty much going to do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. If you'd like to see more Sledgehammer This videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It always makes me feel like I accomplished something. If you'd like to request a certain object for me to test next time, go ahead and leave that down in the comments below. But otherwise, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!